everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk, your weekly tech tips by IEEE. Want to crack the coding ground in your tech interviews? Then Leetcode is your secret weapon. This platform helps to sharpen your problem solving skills and logical reasoning. Start with beginner friendly problems like arrays, strings, and hash maps. Easy to begin, powerful to grow. Don't know where to begin? No worries, LeetCode has curated problem sets from arrays to graphs, neatly sorted by difficulties. Just click on the Explore tab, choose a topic, and boom, you are in. Start with easy problems, they build your basics. Ready to challenge yourself? Join the weekly contest. You will solve 4 problems in 90 minutes against coders from around the world. It sounds scary, but it's super fun and you will learn think too fast. Then here's something cool. Leetcode has a streak system just like Snapchat. Keep solving one problem a day and you will streak grows. Trust me, the streaks becomes your biggest motivator. Consistency beats talent when talent isn't consistent. One problem a day. That's it. Build your habit, build your brain and build your future. Track your stats and see how far you have come. Thank you for watching. Let's grow one line of code at a time. Thank you.